Hello, my name is Harshal. In this video we are going to discuss about low-cost portable mechanical ventilator that can be used in case of COVID-19 pandemic. What are ventilators and why are they important? For patients with the worst effects of the infection, a ventilator offers the best chance of survival. What is a ventilator and what does it do? Simply put, a ventilator takes over the body's breathing process when disease has caused the lungs to fail. To alleviate this, a machine ventilator is used to push air, with increased levels of oxygen, into the lungs. The ventilator also has a humidifier, which adds heat and moisture to the medical air so it matches the patient's body temperature. One of the most obvious ways to avoid a shortage of ventilators is to reduce the numbers of people catching the disease in the first place. That means following all the health advice, including social distancing and hygiene rules. Future iterations will incorporate changes prompted by the results of our prototype making and testing. The design will be changed to be injection molded such that the mass-produced version would cost less than 16,000 rupees to produce. A working prototype that can be operated on a test lung can be being developed. The prototype will have a user-controlled breath rate and tidal volume. It features assist control and an overpressure alarm. It has low power requirements. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Please leave your suggestions in comment box.